Hi y'all, it's Diane with Shawcraft 1 and my old barn door, and I wanted to do a quick final flip through of our trifold journal. So this is the finished product. She is done and I love the way she turned out. And remember in the beginning I told you I didn't want to put an attached closure on it, but I do like to tie something around it, and I just found this sweet fabric that my friend Debbie sent me. Thank you, Debbie. With the little chicks on it. I don't know if you can see. See the little chicks? How stinking cute are they? Little Christmas chicks. They're in little Christmas sweaters. I thought it was so adorable. So I tied that around it. So you just untie it. And then on the front cover, you have our envelope flips. So this one flips open, and then this one flips open, and you see the pretty printable from the kit. And in each envelope, there's a goodie. So we did sweet little tag in this one. And then this little tag in this one. Well, there we go. Okay, and then you open it up, and on the inside, let me make sure I'm in frame. Okay, we're good. I think I can actually bring you down just a little bit so you can see a little better. There we go. Okay, so inside you have a tag in this pocket. I am not pulling this tag out because this is the one I had a fight with, so we're just going to leave him alone. And then there's in this pocket, you have this sweet little tag here. Okay, and then these are our signatures. Now, it is a little bit stuffed, so, you know, it sits a little heavy, but if it's too bulky for you, you can actually take out a signature and then just use 2 signatures in it, and then you have another signature for next Christmas, or you can just use 1 signature. It's basically whatever you want to do. So you can do it that way if you don't want the bulk. Stop it, Remington. What are you growling at? She's sitting at the door just growling. Okay, so we're just going to do a quick flip through of the signatures. I just added a little bit of ephemera in, like the little pockets and stuff. So just very quickly flipping through here. Some of the pages I added some things on paper clips. I think it turned out super cute. And I love how everything matches. And from both the kits, like this is from the Christmas collage kit from last year, and then this is from the new kit this year. And I love how they both match and they go together very well. I just added some goodies into that little pocket. And you have plenty of room for journaling and decorating and making it your own. Here's your little notebook. So you have lots of lined pages, and once you finish with your notebook, you can untie this and add new pages to your notebook. Okay, I'm going to slide it over this way a little so that we can open this up. Okay, so you have your belly band here, and in the belly band, you have some vintage goodies and some new goodies. So we have some of the little department store stamps, and I thought that was cute because, you know, for Christmas you shop at the department stores. One of the tags from the kit. Some of the tags are printed on the back of them and some are not. And then a vintage flash card. And that goes into the little belly band. Try not to damage the stamp sheet. Okay, and then you have tons of ephemera in the little folders. So in this one, you've got tags from the kit. You've got some vintage index card dividers, a vintage Christmas card list, and then more tags, some of the smaller tags from the kit, some catalog card cards, I guess you could say. This was from that vintage little address book from, I can't remember, it was a long time ago. And then some of the ornaments and tags from the kit. You have the library cards from the kit that I made into a little trifold for you. And then a little envelope that my sweet friend Debbie sent to me. Thank you, Debbie. And then in this folder, you have vintage goodies mixed in with new goodies. I'm not going to pull everything out of the pockets because it would take me forever to get everything back in. But you have some fun vintage items mixed with the new items. This is a vintage glassine envelope from 1958, and I stuffed in some cute little Christmas stamps into there. And then you have in this folder, same thing. You've got some little fabric pieces that you can use as pockets in your journal, vintage postcard. This is one of the little flip out tags from the kit. So it's just basically one sheet of the tags that I cut them together and made a little booklet out of them. Some more of the little tags from the kit. This is a vintage check from December of 18 something, I think. A time card and some more of the goodies from the kit. And then in the very back, can you see okay? We have the little pocket flip bag. So it flips open like this, and you have this beautiful page from the kit. And then in the bag, I have some fabric washi and one of the tags from the kit and one of the mason jars from the kit. And then in the pocket here, you have just a couple of little, ooh, we stuck it. Couple of little ephemera pieces. This one's from the Farm Christmas Collage kit from last year, and this is from, I think, Pinterest. So just tucked a couple of little goodies in there for you. So that is our trifold journal complete. So once you see this video, it should be available in the shop. If you don't see it in the shop, it means it's already sold. So good luck to you. I hope you get a chance to grab it. I'm thinking about making some more. And if I do, I'll be showing videos of those, and you'll see those in the shop too. So I haven't quite decided yet where I'm going from here. But once I figure it out, I'll for surely let you know. So thank you so much for watching. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them in the comment box below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for me if you will. And I hope y'all have a great day. Big hugs.